How rich people use credit cards differently. Credit cards are often viewed as either a financial blessing or a financial trap. For many people, they become a source of debt, stress, and overspending. However, wealthy individuals tend to view credit cards very differently. Instead of seeing them as a way to spend money they do not have, they use them as financial tools that help them manage cash flow, earn rewards, build credit, and protect their assets. The truth is that credit cards themselves are not good or bad. Their impact depends entirely on how they are used. Wealthy people understand the rules of the financial system and use credit cards strategically to maximize benefits while avoiding costly mistakes. They focus on leverage, rewards, convenience, and financial efficiency rather than impulse spending. In 2026, as digital payments continue to dominate the global economy, understanding how successful people use credit cards can help anyone improve their financial habits and make smarter money decisions. Rich people see credit cards as financial tools. One of the biggest differences between wealthy individuals and average consumers is mindset. Many people see a credit card as extra money available to spend. Wealthy individuals understand that a credit card is simply a payment tool, not a source of income. They know that every dollar charged to a card must eventually be paid back. They pay their balances in full. One of the most important habits wealthy people follow is paying their credit card balances in full every month. This practice allows them to avoid interest charges entirely. Credit card companies generate significant profits from people who carry balances and pay interest month after month. Rich individuals understand this system and choose not to become part of it. Paying the full balance each month means they receive all the benefits of using a credit card without paying extra fees. Many people mistakenly believe carrying a balance improves their credit score, but this is not true. Consistently paying on time and maintaining low credit utilization are much more important factors. By avoiding interest payments, wealthy individuals keep more of their money working for them. Instead of giving money to credit card companies through interest, they direct those funds toward investments, businesses, and wealth-building opportunities. They maximize rewards and cashback programs. Another way wealthy people use credit cards differently is by taking full advantage of rewards programs. Many premium credit cards offer cashback, travel points, airline miles, hotel benefits, and exclusive perks. Wealthy individuals often channel their regular spending through cards that provide valuable rewards. They focus on building strong credit scores. A strong credit score is an important financial asset, and wealthy individuals understand its value. Because of this, rich people are careful about maintaining healthy credit profiles. Many successful individuals recognize that credit is not just about borrowing money. It is about maintaining financial credibility. Strong credit provides flexibility and options when opportunities arise, whether for business investments, real estate purchases, or other major financial decisions. They use credit cards for business expenses. Many wealthy individuals own businesses or invest in income-generating ventures. As a result, they often use credit cards strategically for business expenses. This helps separate personal and business finances while creating detailed spending records that simplify accounting and tax preparation. Business-related purchases such as advertising, software subscriptions, travel, office supplies, and operational costs are often charged to dedicated business credit cards. They prioritize security and fraud protection. Wealthy individuals understand that financial security is just as important as earning money. Credit cards generally offer stronger fraud protection compared to debit cards. Because of these security advantages, many wealthy people prefer using credit cards for large purchases, travel bookings, and online transactions. They know that protecting assets is a critical part of maintaining wealth. These features provide extra layers of security and peace of mind that many consumers overlook. They avoid emotional spending. One of the most significant differences between wealthy and average consumers is emotional control. This emotional spending often leads to debt and financial instability. Rich people tend to approach spending more strategically. They evaluate purchases based on value, necessity, and long-term impact rather than temporary emotions. They understand that every dollar spent is a dollar that cannot be invested elsewhere. Financial success often depends less on income level and more on spending behavior, and emotional discipline plays a major role in that equation. They understand the power of cash flow. Many wealthy individuals focus heavily on cash flow management. They recognize that maintaining liquidity can be valuable for both personal and business finances. Credit cards can help optimize cash flow by allowing purchases to be made today while payment is due later. This does not mean spending beyond their means. Instead, it means using payment timing strategically. Keeping cash available for investments, business opportunities, or emergency needs can sometimes be more beneficial than immediately paying every expense in cash. This approach reflects a broader understanding of financial management. Credit cards become one component of a larger financial strategy focused on efficiency and flexibility. Common credit card mistakes to avoid carrying balances, making late payments, exceeding credit limits, and using credit cards for unnecessary purchases are habits that can quickly create financial problems. Another common mistake is opening multiple credit cards without a clear purpose. Wealthy people typically use credit cards intentionally rather than impulsively. Understanding fees, interest rates, and terms is also important. Financially successful individuals take the time to understand how financial products work before using them. The difference between how rich people and average consumers use credit cards often comes down to mindset and discipline. Wealthy individuals view credit cards as financial tools rather than sources of spending power. They pay balances in full, avoid interest charges, maximize rewards, maintain strong credit scores, and use cards strategically for business and financial management. Credit cards themselves do not create wealth or financial problems. The way they are used determines the outcome. By adopting the habits that successful people follow, such as responsible spending, timely payments, and financial discipline, anyone can use credit cards more effectively. Understanding these principles can help transform a credit card from a source of debt into a valuable tool for financial growth and stability. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more smart money and wealth building tips. Remember, rich people don't use credit cards to spend more, they use them to manage money smarter. See you in the next video.